Okay, so I'm deep in the woods off Martin Lake Road, and I stumbled across something really neat. Super neat. See this? This is very rare. Very rare Christmas tree. You don't usually see them this time of year, so I'm feeling pretty good about this. I'm sad because, as you can tell, it's dead. It produces a lot of tree poop in its prime, and then it dies, and that's what we have here. You can tell that it's a Christmas tree because of the way that it is. That's pretty neat. Tracks of what?
Traps.
Traps?
Yeah. What are you trying to do?
I'm making a pretty neat nature video. What is this? What is that?
Oh my god.
What is that? Don't disturb it in its natural habitat.
Oh my god.
Adeline, that could be poisonous. Put it down. It might be an endangered species.
No, put it in water.
You're going to put it in the water? No, that's not its natural habitat.
Oh my god. Mommy, if you're going to put this on TV, cut me out of it, please.
I'm not going to put it on TV.
Okay, that's always good.
If I put it on TV, everybody will know how awesome Martin Lake Road is, and they'll all come take over. Oh, what is that?
It's a fairy home.
No, what is that in the tree? What is that?
Nothing.
Oh, this is really.
Oh my god.
It's a rare mushroom.
Where?
Right there, in the tree.
Oh my god.
It's a very, very rare PVC mushroom.
It's a
I think
bucket.
is what they call it. It's not a bucket.
It's a bucket.
Shh. What is this?
Oh my god.
What is that?
I don't know.